Hello, and welcome to today's imaginative prayer meditation. I hope that you have found a comfy place to sit or lie down, to steady your breathing, and just allow the words to wash over you. Today's meditation is God as the Potter. The room is simple. A concrete floor, some clay, and a potter's wheel. There's a large window. A ray of sun shines across the floor. A potter sits at the wheel. She sets a lump of clay on the wheel, and the wheel begins to spin. The potter's hands dance with the clay, interacting lovingly with it. She sings over the clay while delicately and expertly creating her art. The song is specific to this piece of clay. Her words speak of beauty and life, joy and hope, purpose, and infinite value. This is no ordinary pot she's creating. This is a masterpiece. As the clay begins to take shape, she laughs with delight. Her face glows with joy. When she's finished, she holds her creation high as if it is triumphant. Then the potter brings her creation very close to her face. She touches it to her cheek. "Perfect," she whispers. We are the clay. You are the potter. We are all the work of your hand. How does it feel to know that you're a created masterpiece and the potter planned you in great detail? Do you feel like a masterpiece? Why or why not? Listen as you're held up to the potter's cheek and proclaimed, "Perfect." Talk to God, your potter, and tell God how you feel about how you've been made.